This is Millac Luce Festa at Millak Waterside Park. A 500-meter path lights up the waterfront with simple installations. A large Christmas tree and the Gwangan Bridge quietly glowing in the background. It's an easy place to take a slow walk, take a few photos, and enjoy the night air. If you want to warm up afterward, Millak the market is right nearby for food and drinks. And if the weather isn't too cold, Gwangalli Beach is close enough to walk to, making it a relaxed way to end the evening.